This handy digital meat thermometer by Thermometer is a must-have for all you barbecuers out there.
What I like about it is that it's compact. It fits comfortably in the palm of your hand and has a long enough stainless steel probe that allows you to get an accurate temperature reading without burning your hands. I also like that the high precision sensor gives you an accurate reading in 3 to 4 seconds. For those thin cuts of meat, you only have to stick the probe in a half to 3/4 of an inch to get a proper reading. The thermometer has a locking button. This allows you to lock in the temperature reading so you can view it after pulling it away from the hot surface. The unit is magnetized, so you can place it on the side of the barbecue or some other metal surface. It is also waterproof, making cleanup a breeze.
I have used this thermometer several times, and the meat has come out perfectly every time. It's reasonably priced, and I highly recommend it. But that's just my point of view.